6 months from now, your life could be completely different. You could be in the best shape of your life. You could be making more money, waking up with energy and purpose, and feeling confident in the direction you're going. Or you could be in the exact same place, watching another video like this, wishing you had started today. So let me ask you, which version of you do you want to be? Because the truth is, it's not luck, talent, or some magical moment that changes your life. It's the small decisions you make every single day. And when you make the right ones, even small shifts can create huge transformations. That's what this video is about. I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your life in just 6 months, step by step, with real research, real strategies, and examples from some of the most successful people in the world. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap that can take you from feeling stuck to thriving. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Step 1, define your 6-month vision. Let's start with something most people never do. Getting crystal clear on what you actually want. Here's the thing, if you don't know where you're going, how do you expect to get there? Most people say things like, I want to be happier, I want more money, I want to be successful, but those are vague ideas, not real goals. Let me prove why clarity matters. In 1979, Harvard Business School conducted a study where they asked students, do you have clear written goals for your future? 84% had no goals, 13% had goals but never wrote them down, only 3% had clear written goals with a plan. 10 years later, they followed up. The 13% with unwritten goals were earning twice as much as those with no goals. But the 3% with written goals, they were earning 10 times more than everyone else combined. Why? Because when you define a clear target, your brain starts working towards it, even subconsciously. Arnold Schwarzenegger became a bodybuilding legend, a Hollywood star, and the governor of California, not by accident, but by visualizing his future with extreme clarity. He didn't just say, I want to be successful. He imagined every detail, winning Mr. Olympia, becoming a movie star despite his accent, getting into politics, and making an impact. In his book, Total Recall, he explains that every action he took, every single rep in the gym, every acting class, every business decision was guided by his clear vision. Your action step? Take 5 minutes right now and write down in vivid detail where you want to be in 6 months, physically, financially, mentally, in your relationships. If you don't define it, you can't achieve it. Step 2, audit your current life. Now that you know where you want to go, it's time to figure out what's holding you back. Because right now, there are habits, distractions, and routines that are keeping you stuck. A study in Harvard Business Review asked participants to track their daily activities for a week. The results were shocking. The average person wasted over 4 hours a day on distractions, social media, mindless scrolling, unnecessary tasks. But here's the crazy part. Just the act of tracking their time helped them naturally reduce distractions by 30%. Why? Because when you see where your time is going, you become aware. And awareness is the first step to change. Warren Buffett, one of the world's greatest investors, has a simple rule. 1, write down your top 25 career goals. 2, circle the top 5. Those are your absolute priorities. 3, the other 20, avoid at all costs. He calls this the avoid at all costs list. Why? Because distractions often come disguised as opportunities. Focusing on the essential few is more powerful than doing a little bit of everything. Your action step? Track your time for 3 days. Identify your biggest distractions. Cut out one major distraction today. Step 3, build a daily system for growth. Motivation gets you started, systems keep you going. If you want to change your life in 6 months, you don't need massive overnight changes. You need tiny, consistent habits that compound over time. For 100 years, British cyclists were mediocre. Then Coach Dave Brailsford introduced the concept of 1% improvements. Slightly better seats, lighter uniforms, better sleeping and eating habits. At first, these changes seemed insignificant, but within 5 years, British cyclists dominated the Olympics and won 5 Tour de France titles. Why? Because small daily improvements create unstoppable momentum. When asked how he became one of the greatest comedians ever, Jerry Seinfeld shared his secret. Write jokes every single day, mark an X on a calendar for each day you do it, never break the chain. Your action step? Pick one habit that aligns with your 6-month goal and do it every single day. 6 months from now, you'll either be proud of what you did today or wish you had started. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe for more life-changing content. Now go take action. Your future self is counting on you.